Hello, in this lecture we are going to draw the beam. First of all, click on beam, placement plane, level 1, structural usage automatic, 3D snapping and chain. Now click on level 2 to draw the beams. Structure, beam again, placement plane level 2, okay, because level 1 is the base of column. So placement plane level 2, click on line and properties, edit type. There are three family: M concrete rectangular beam and HSS square tube and UB universal beam. I will choose M concrete rectangular beam. 300 600 I can modify. The B is 250 and the H is 600. Rename B 2560 and click OK and OK. So B 2560. Level 2 placement plane, 3D snapping. If I draw in 3D and chain to complete the beam. So if I draw from this point to this columns and I will complete the chain, okay? Cancel. Like wall, in wall, chain, okay? So structure, beam again, from this point to this point to this point to this point. This slab will be flat slab, so the beam are perimeters beams. Okay, there are the beams. Click on 3D now. I can see. Click on visual style. There are many options. Wireframes to see all lines. Click on hidden lines and click on shaded, for example. Consistent colors, and finally realistic to see the realistic model. Concrete, okay, the column, for example, concrete. I can click, for example, hidden lines. Click on beams. In the properties, start level offset and end level offset, 0 and 0. I can change, for example, 300 and 300. Okay, offset 300 and the star and end. Click 0 again and 0 again. I can reduce, for example, this L, geometry positions, YZ justification, for example, uniform. I can click and change the, for example, top. I can click on bottom, apply. This is the inverted beams. Top again, apply. So there are many options. I can draw in 3D models, so beams and 3D snapping, snap of columns. I can draw, okay, from this point to this point, whatever. I will delete. And by clicking on beams, cross section, for example, angle 45, and apply. Rotate the beams, click 0 again and apply. Cut length of beam 4500 and enable analytical yes covers. Length 5 meter, volume, elevation at top and elevation at bottom. Elevation at top 3 meter and at bottom, because the depth of beam is 600. Image comments mark there are not, and phasing. So these are the beam of my models.